Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing some more fall cleanup. Really, I am coming into this bed and I am pulling out the buckwheat that's going to seed. That's fine, it will self-sow, but I want to be able to come in and kind of clean this up. Everything looks like it's been beat down. That's from 2 inches of rain that we had last week. And I'm gonna get some new fall crops going in this bed so that it'll look extra awesome for the upcoming fall open garden on Saturday, October 9th. So stay tuned for my progress. All right, now that I have this cleaned up a bit, and the main thing is I reoriented these squash. This is Goldilocks, and it's a great variety from All American Selections, and I'm letting these actually mature. I don't think that I did any damage to the stem. It's crazy how they gravitate, out onto the lawn. I'd like to keep them in the bed so that we can actually mow this edge. Now, I don't think that I'm going to actually do any major overseeding in here. I am going to plant a couple of clumps of Georgia Gore Wheat and a couple of clumps of barley just to test my seed viability. And I'm gonna put some kohlrabi and some red Russian kale in because I have these ready to go. And then this bed will really get reworked in November. I'm gonna do this as a huge poppy larkspur combination. So anything that I do now is really just meant to be temporary to get through the next couple of months of people coming to visit and having the open garden. Give people some ideas for some transition type plants to be able to extend your season and your harvests. So I'm gonna get these planted and then I'll turn the sprinkler on here and let this bed get soaked in. Well, it's for sure not an instant gratification sort of install, but I think really just in the next 10 days, the things that I planted and seeded are gonna germinate and look pretty cool for the open house, and it'll be the perfect sort of interim planting between now and when all of this will get mown down, and then the poppies and larkspur will be sown in late November, right around Thanksgiving. So I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.